In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the easiest strategies that you can implement today and start making passive income promoting Clickbank products. So what you want to do, you want to come over to your Clickbank account and you want to go over to the marketplace. So once you click on the marketplace, you want to scroll down to the very bottom of this page and you want to click on this softwares and services. So if you click on that, this category contains software products that you can promote on Clickbank and start making money. So as you can see, this software right here called VTune 2.1 helps people create animated videos. So you make $52.40 on every single sale you make for this product right here. And also you get a recurring income of $18.72, as you can see right here, which means whenever people stay on this software, you make $18 every month. All right, so that's what I mean by making passive income on Clickbank. So basically, I'm going to show you how to find people who are interested in animated videos and you can start making money promoting this product. So this is not the only product on this category right here. If you scroll down, you are going to find other products right here. This one right here is going to pay $247 for every single sale you make for this product right here. And you are going to get passive $92 every single month whenever people stay on this product right here. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'll be taking this software right here as an example. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this affiliate page right here. So once you click on that, you are going to be brought over to this page. As you can see right here, this is a review of this product right here. You can see this is someone who is talking about this product right here. So now what you want to do is very simple. As you can see right here, okay, these are the features of this product right here. So what you want to do is absolutely simple. You want to go over to this website called obsproduct.com and you want to download this OBS Studio right here. So once you've downloaded the software right here, you want to literally just do a voiceover going over the features of this product right here. All right, the video can be 1 minute or 2 minutes long. It doesn't matter. All you just need to do is talk about what people are going to benefit from this software right here. As you can see, they have about 12 features right here. So basically all you just need to do is go over the features. As you can see right here, this is another video talking about how to use this product. So basically you can do a review of this video right here. You can basically play this video and add a voiceover of how to use this product right here. So like I said, this product is an animated video maker. Okay, so this product makes animated videos. So as you can see right here, this is a review of this product. All you just need to do, like I'm doing right now, recording my screen, you can basically do the same thing. You want to record your screen while this video is playing and you want to add a voiceover to this video right here, telling people how to use the features of this product right here. Okay, so once you've created the video, all you just need to do from here is to go over to Clickbank and you want to click on this promote button right here. And once you do that, you want to click on this create uplink. And once you click on that, you'll be able to copy this uplink right here. And then you want to go over to a website called cut.ly and you want to paste in the Clickbank link right there to shorten your link. And you want to click on shorten. So once you do that, this is your URL right here. This is the shorten URL. So all you just need to do is click on this copy. And now if we go to a new tab and paste in the link right here, as you can see right here, you will be redirected to the sales page of this product right here. Okay, so whenever anyone make a purchase of this product, you make $52. And once they stay on this product every month, you also make an additional $18 every single month. So basically, if you get 10 people to stay on this product, you've already made over $100 every single month in passive income. So now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to this product right here. So like I said, you want to come over to this software right here. It's called OBS Studio. It's absolutely free. All you just need to do, like I said, is to record your screen and you want to go over the features of this product right here. You don't even need to purchase the product. Like I said, all you just need to do is talk about the features right here, or you can go over the preview of this product right here. As you can see, this video right here is demonstrating how the product works. So basically all you just need to do is go over this video right here and add your own opinion, your review and your thoughts on how helpful this software is going to be for people who are looking to make animated videos. All right, so once you've done that, come over to YouTube and you want to upload the video to YouTube. All right, so if you don't want to use YouTube, there are other alternatives to YouTube, like coming over to rumble.com. Is another website that gets millions of views every single month. So you want to come over to this website as well to upload the video. And also another website you can use is called bitshoot.com. You can come over to this website as well and you can upload that video. Okay, another thing you can do is coming over to Quora search bar and you want to type in how to make animated videos. As you can see, this video is for people who are looking to make animated videos, since this product is about making animated videos. So once you come over to Quora, you can see this is a question right here: how can I start making animated videos? So like I said, once you've made the video and you've published it on your YouTube channel, all you just need to do is tell this person they can go over and watch a review of this animated software. All right, so you can see there are numerous questions on animated videos right here. So basically all you just need to do is answer these questions right here. Take your time and leave an answer to this question and tell them they can go over to watch a review of a software that helps to make animated videos. So the same thing applies to reddit.com as well. All right, so you want to do the same thing on Reddit as well. You want to come over to the search bar and type in how to make animated videos. So you can see this is someone right here telling people to go watch a review on YouTube. You can see this is a YouTube link right here, and this was posted 5 hours ago. You can see the person posted it on YouTube startups. Okay, so there are a lot of people who are interested in animated videos. So basically you want to just make a review of the software and you want to link them to the video to watch the review. And once they purchase the product, you make money. Okay, so like I said, you don't have to use this for only this software alone. You can see there are other softwares you can use this exact method for. So you can see this is another product right here that you can sell as well, that's going to pay you almost $100 in recurring commission every single month. So basically, if you get 10 people every month on this product, you are making close to $1,000 in passive income for this product alone. And before I end this video, if you take action and you stay consistent, you are going to definitely make passive income doing this strategy. Because once you make a review video, if people like the video, they are going to click on the link, and if some of them purchase the product, you make money. And you are not only going to make money, but you will be making money in passive income as long as they stay on that product. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.